What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SAVA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we finished, let me show you more thoroughly, we finished all 5 wave structure, and my main assumption was that because of this volume, because of this huge volume, my main assumption was that we can have a trend continuation. But I was wrong, and I suggested, as usual, to enter your position for the medium and long term from the ranges of from 0.5 to 0.65 and even to 0.786. But unfortunately, I was wrong, and the price goes south, and it was huge sell-off right here with this massive candle, and we broke the previous bottom at this very point, and this means this wave to the upside was invalidated. So my forecast was wrong, and I admit it, and nobody is perfect. My win rate is about 75 to 80%. That's why in at least 20% of cases I'm wrong, and it is totally okay. So, and let me show you that for now we have this massive surge in price and then immediate decrease in its price, in its value. And let me show you that it has about 70% of upside movement, and then it lost about 26%. So I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. Cassava Sciences, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops drugs for neurodegenerative diseases. Its lead therapeutic product candidate is simufilam, a small molecule drug which is completed phase 2b clinical trial. And investigational diagnostic product candidate is SavaDx, a blood-based biomarker diagnostic to detect Alzheimer diseases. And I have to say that this information is a little bit outdated. For now, they are in phase 3 clinical trial for their simufilam. And simufilam is the drug to treat an Alzheimer disease. So, let me show you that for now they don't have any revenue. They have losses of about $20.83 million, but their total cash position is very strong, and they have about $241.52 million. So technically it is a quite usual biopharmaceutical company that is in research and development mode. And they have enough money to operate, and this means from the financial standpoint you can rely on this company. But we have a lot of doubts, and the most recent one was the allegation of their fraud. And let me show you that on December 21st, basically less than 24 hours ago, on their official website they posted this. Science journal finds no evidence to support claims of data manipulation in the 2005 publication. And here's what the editor-in-chief states. After careful examination of this original material, Neuroscience Journal found no evidence of manipulation of the Western blot data or other figures of this publication. And let me remind you that in August 2021, a law firm representing admitted short sellers submitted a citizen petition to the US Food and Drug Administration that alleges, among other things, data manipulation in scientific articles authored by Cassava Scientists, including the 2005 Neuroscience article. In response to this and similar online allegations, Neuroscience requested raw data for the 2005 article, including images of original uncropped Western blots. Having completed a careful examination of the data on December 2021, Neuroscience published the online following editor note. So, they found no evidence of manipulation of their data, and this means this article is very bullish for the company, and this means we have this massive surge in price. But why in the world we have immediate decrease in price and with a huge volume? And let me show you that right here. I found this article that was published on Investor Place about 10 hours ago, and it says SAVA Stock, the social media chatter that has Cassava Sciences trending today. And the main idea of this article that this stock has huge support from Reddit communities and other stock tweets communities. For example, as you can see on stock tweets website, on trending section, SAVA is on the 3rd place. On the most active section, it is on the 5th place, and on the watchers section, it is on the 3rd place as well. And appwisdom.io, the website that tracks the activity on Reddit communities related to different assets, we have Cassava Sciences on the 15th place, and it's up for 134 positions during last 24 hours, and it has an increase in the mentions by 1,143%, and for now the number of mentions is 87. It is not so high, but the increase is huge. And I have to say that in this article I found this interesting point, that some people still think that Cassava Science is manipulating the data. And I found this person, Adrian H. And let me show you that he's one of the main bears, in my opinion, in Twitter related to this stock, and he has a lot of information about potential fraud of Cassava Science, and he has several retweets from other people who found some data that might lead to lower prices for Cassava Science, because it is basically a fraud. And he posted 2 hours ago this tweet that he found another point that the company might manipulate the data. And this means, in my opinion, we have to be extremely cautious with this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, technically we have very good movement to the upside and the retracement. And if I measure the retracement by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top of this wave, as you can see, we have a very good reaction from the golden pocket, statistically the most probable level of trend reversal. This means potentially we might have the trend reversal from this range and we might go higher. But we have to be cautious, because with this company we still have a lot of rumors that they can manipulate the data. And despite of this forecast from TipRanks, and we have 4 ratings from analysts, and all of them suggest to buy, with the price targets from $108 to $215, and it is a massive upside potential, I have to say. But still we have a lot of doubts. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this company? In my opinion, in upcoming sessions we will definitely see huge volatility, and in my opinion, first of all, we might see a massive movement to the upside. And to catch this wave, you can add your position right here at the golden pocket, and your stop loss should be slightly below this range, this previous bottom, and it might be about 20% of downside potential, quite huge stop loss range. But the upside potential might be right here at this previous stop, or even at this one, and we have about 130% to this range, and risk to reward ratio in this case is very favorable for the swing traders. And that's why if you are risky enough and you realize all the risks that might be involved in the process of trading this ticker, you can add your position, and you can even ladder your buys down in order to reduce the downside potential, but the upside potential is still massive for 131%. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!